Good morning, dear students. Hope everyone are doing well. Today we shall start a new chapter of geography, that is chapter 2. Land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. So, let's start. Land. So, when we say land, every one of you knows what is a land. Land is the part of the earth's surface that is solid ground and not covered by water. An example of land is the area where you are standing on the ground right now. So, land is among the most important natural resources. Natural resources are anything that people can use which comes from nature, such as land, water, air, etc. So, land is the one of the most important natural resources. About 70% of the earth's surface is water and only 30% is land. The total population of the world lives on this small portion of land. Sometimes it is not suitable for living everywhere because of a lot of additional conditions that affect life. Parts of land not suitable for living are said to be inhabitable, whereas the ones where people live are said to be habitable. So, the reason behind uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world is mainly due to varied characteristics of land and climate. Areas which are normally sparsely populated or uninhabited has rugged topography. So, what do you mean by topography? Topography means natural and artificial physical features of an area. Artificial means man-made. So, example, hills, valleys, lakes are natural physical features, whereas roads are man-made. So, the areas which are normally sparsely populated or uninhabited has, that is, rugged topography. So, I have already told you what you mean by topography. So, and the next is steep slopes of the mountain, low-lying areas prone to water logging, desert areas, thick forested areas. Whereas plains and river valleys offer suitable land for agriculture. Hence, these are densely populated. Next, let us discuss land use. So, land is used for almost everything. Using land for buildings, roads, markets, agriculture, grazing fields, railway stations, airports, hospitals, educational institutions, community recreation centers like playgrounds, swimming pool parks, etc., and setting up of industries for which land is used is known as land use. Now, the factors that determine the use of land are topography, second is soil, third is climate, fourth is minerals, and fifth is availability of water. So, these are physical factors of the country that determine the land use pattern. In India also, we have various forms of land like plains, plateaus, mountains, etc., which are kept in mind before planning the land use pattern. Again, there are certain human factors also affecting the land use pattern. They include population density of the country, technological capability, etc. The economic development of the country depends on the technological development of the country, thus leading to the planning of land use pattern. Now, you can see a table here. In the table, you can see land use in selected countries. So, countries like Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, French, India, Japan, Russia, UK, USA. And you can see percentage of area used. Like the area used for cropland, pasture, forest and other use. So here cropland means land used for growing crops and pasture means land covered with grass and other plants suitable for grazing animals. And next is forest and other use. So other use means or such as land used for residential purpose, recreation and commercial purpose. So now you can see Australia. Australia, the percentage of area used for cropland, that is 6, pasture 56, forest 14 and other use 24. Whereas Brazil cropland 9, pasture 20, forest 66, other use 5. Canada cropland 5, pasture 4, forest 39 and other use 52. China cropland 10, pasture 34, forest 14 and other use 42. French cropland 35, pasture 21, forest 27 and other use 17. India cropland 57, pasture 4, forest 22 and other use 17. Japan cropland 12, pasture 2, forest 66, other use 19. Russia cropland 8, pasture 5, forest 44, other use 44. UK cropland 29, pasture 46, forest 10, other use 16. USA cropland 21, pasture 26, forest 32, other use 21. And the percentage of area into wall as a whole, cropland 11, pasture 26, forest 31 and other use 32. So, students, you can just see the data in the table. So, next, let us move to classifications of land. Land can be classified on the basis of ownership. As private land and community land. Private land is owned by individuals, whereas community land is owned by the community for common uses like collection of fodder, fruits, nuts or medicinal herbs, and also called as common property resources. Populations and demands are increasing, but land is limited. Many constructional activities are going on, and also agricultural land is expanding. These are leading to land degradation. So here land degradation means problem largely related to agricultural use, deforestation and climate change. Next is landslides, soil erosion and desertification. So desertification means or it happens because of overgrazing, urbanization and deforestation, etc. And these are the major threats to environment. So students, this is all for today. On my next class, I shall start conservation of land resource. Hope the topic that I have covered today will be helpful for you all. So here I conclude. Thank you.